Summary of the topic about the course. Course topic and coverage. Engaging students in deep learning involves an online tool, Pairwise, through which students contribute multiple choice questions to a shared question bank. Earlier work demonstrated a strong correlation between the use of Pairwise and student performance. In this study, we investigate the quality of the MCQ repository created by students in an introductory programming course by analyzing the range of topics on which students choose to write questions without guidance from an instructor. We assess the repository coverage by comparing it with a common list of typical introductory programming topics. And by looking at its extent, we find that despite having freedom to choose any topic, students created a repository that covered all the major topics in the curriculum. Assessment tasks and learning activities. Assessment tasks are instructional strategies used to accumulate evidence that a student has mastered specific course or unit outcomes. According to Biggs and Tang, 2007, P169, assessment tasks are the activities learners will undertake to confirm whether or not the outcome has in fact been achieved during and at the end of the learning process. There are many different kinds of assessment activities and the most commonly used including tests, quizzes, examinations, and essays, etc. The reason of identifying learning outcomes is to categorize the preferred results of a learning experience. Course materials, requirements, grading system, and important reminders. In a course materials, take one of your course concepts and explain it in your online learning management system instead of presenting it in class. Create a page that explains the concept in writing and includes graphics, videos, and other material as appropriate. Creating this one-way instructional message will force you to think through what is missing, what questions students might have about the content, and how best to present the information for someone consuming it without the ability to ask you questions immediately. The course requirements undergraduate program of study is fairly standard, combining required and elective courses. In the chemical and biochemical engineering program, students are required to complete core requirements to fulfill their general, humanities, social science, and technical elective requirements. And the grading system is one of the primary goals of a proficiency-based grading system is to produce grades that more accurately reflect a student's learning, progress, and achievement, including situations in which students struggled early on in a semester or school year, but then put in the effort and hard work needed to meet expected standards. If you ask nearly any adult, they will tell you that failures and learning to overcome them are often among the most important lessons in life. Last is the important reminders, which is the students will use any smartphones to be able to connect and to keep updated to the online learning. Class procedures and guidelines, online, flexible, modular learning Netiquette. Netiquette is a set of rules that encourages appropriate and courteous online behavior. These rules are important as they promote communication skills, prevent miscommunications, and help you understand what is socially acceptable when working and collaborating online. Netiquette in online education. The rules for online learning and classroom learning are virtually the same. You have to study, take notes, attend classes, and participate in discussions. In the classroom, your words, gestures, posture, and facial expressions communicate your thoughts and observations to your classmates and teachers. Cooperative learning. Cooperative learning is an organized and structured way to use small groups to enhance student learning and interdependence. Students are given a task, better known as an assignment, and they work together to accomplish this task. Each individual has responsibilities and is held accountable for aiding in the completion of the assignment. Therefore, success is dependent on the work of everyone in the group.